All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful black with black cloth interior, alloy wheels, roof racks. Super nice. 64,000 miles. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper has some scuffings here, some more scuffing here, as you can see there. All right, so it's scuffed up, I'll say 10 or more. Hood looks pretty good. Fender looks pretty decent. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing on this rim. Now your tire thread is looks to be 530 seconds. Let me double check it. Yep, it's about 530 seconds. This door looks okay. Has a dent here with some paint off. Thought those were chips, but they're not. Looks good. Looks pretty decent. This quarter looks pretty decent. Here's your rear driver's rim. Is it curbed? It's got some curbing, very light, but it's on here. It's very light. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. And your tire thread back here is 430 seconds just at the line. Yeah, 430 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dents or anything up there. Powered windows, powered door. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to this. Third row, likewise, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks okay. Looks okay. It's got a little power button here. Open that up. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Got rear AC, rear AC vents and controls. Boom. All right, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. As you can see, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. A little dirty. Gotta clean it up. It is a powered seat. Jump in here, turn it on for you guys. See instrument cluster and stuff like that. Does come with 2 key fob combos. I'm sorry, 1 key fob combo. You got your AM FM CD player. AM FM CD player Onyx as well. Got your AC controls right down below. So you can see it is dual AC controls, and it is down for the rear as well. Alright. What else? Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. That's what your instrument cluster looks like. You see it does have a tire pressure light on, and your mileage of 64,782. 64,782. We could get some controls over here. Oh, nice. Nice. Put up the rear there for you guys. Turn on the lights. Boom. Oh, they're not on, they're off. Turn the lights. Boom. Showed you this. Coming around. Got a heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. Add some chips and stuff like that back here, as you can see. Your grill here, or your step pad here, is cracked. Boom. A little cracking on the chrome there. What your trunk space looks like, or these seats do stow and go right in here. As you can see, it's a little, I don't know, it's got some stuff on there. I don't know what that is. Some more over here. Alright, there's a power button. All these seats do fold forward and stow and go like in the pictures. Alright, let's check out your lift gate here. Looks pretty good. I don't see anything dents or anything on there. This quarter here looks pretty decent. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire there back here is just at 430 seconds to line. This quarter looks good. This door looks good. There's a powered door here. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Got your AC vents and controls down there. Button here. This door looks pretty decent. Here's your front passenger seat. Does have a hole here. Little burn mark. Let's see another one here. That's about it. So it's got two little burn marks there. This quarter looks pretty good. And here's your your front passenger rim. They have some curving, very minimum here. 3, 6, about 8 inches. Right at the edge of the lip there. Tire thread is 4/32 on here. I'm gonna double check here. Yeah, it's actually 5/32, so I can see it there. And another scuffing here. Lights are working, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model, beautiful black with the black interior, 64,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.